Alright, in the last part we left off, well, we printed out this form so people can register. And now we're making it to where they can enter it into the database. So, first we have the name equals post name, password equals post password, email equals post password. Now, this right here is to stop people from cheating. Like, this stops players from hacking your game and hacking your account. Player equals strip tags for the player. Oh, not player. Gotta change it to name. And then email equals strip tags for the email. That means that they will be able to enter, like they won't get your email either that you entered into the database. Now, we gotta make sure that they actually typed in this email. And I forgot, I need to open PHP right there. Okay, now we put if name equals nothing. That means if they typed nothing for their name, like if they just left their name field blank, then we wanted to echo out you didn't enter a username. Oh, oops, wrong thing. You didn't enter a username. And then if you wanted to, you could make a go back button. Oh wait. Right here, you can make it, hold on, echo make href equals register dot php go back. That means that they'll have a go back button so they don't be stuck right there. And then we wanted to kill the page. Okay. And then put an else. That means if they did have a username, like if they did enter a username, now we need to check if they entered a password. So if password equals, and we need, oh wait, we just need a single equals nothing. Then we need to echo out basically the same thing. You didn't enter password. And you can put whatever you want right here. It doesn't matter. And then we need to put a go back button. Go back, and then we can kill the page. Now, if they entered a password, now we need to make sure if they entered an email. So basically, do the same thing. Oh wait, need to put in else statement. Echo fix that, echo it inside the parentheses. Echo, hold on. Okay. You didn't enter a email address and you can echo these A's need to be capitalized. And right here we need to end the link. Okay. Basically you'll just type in the same exact stuff for all these. You're just making sure that they type everything in the fields. Okay. Now, kill the page, and then put else. Now we need to make sure if the password's matched. Because you have two different passwords, so you need to make sure if they match. Else, if password equals pass2. And I forgot. Right there, you need to put pass2 equals post pass2 there. If the password equals pass2, oh wait, if there. That means if password does not equal pass2, that means, let's say on the first password field they put ABC. On the second password they put ABCD. Then that means that it doesn't match, so we need to echo out your password did it match. And then we need to put another go back button. And then we need to kill the page. Okay. What am I forgetting? We went through the name, we went through the password, went through the email. We made sure that the two passwords match. Now I think the only thing we need to do is just do SQL equals MySQL query. And now we need to make an insert into, that means insert into the players table, because you already connected to the test database, so they already know what database to do. And then we need to insert into the players table. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay. I kind of forgot how to do it, so I just had to double check myself. Now we need to put, gotta check myself again. Okay. Now I got it. Insert into players. We need to, now this is where we type in the different fields we have, which we have the name, the email, oh, which is first. The order that you put it in is very important. So see, name, email, and password. We don't need to choose the ID field because it's auto increment. So we don't really need to tell it what to do. It'll automatically know. We do name, email, password. Name, email, password. Now we need to put the values. The values is going to be the name. We're going to have the email and then the password. What that means is it's going to enter into the player's table. It's going to have the name, email, and password, and the values is going to be whatever they typed in on the name, password, and email. Here, where they typed in on register. So, just going to copy that. I need to capitalize that. Now that is MySQL. Hold on. I don't know why I have MySQL query right there. And then MySQL SQL or die could not register. So if it cannot insert into the player database, we want to come up could not register. And then we want to echo you have successfully registered. And then we want to make an echo we wanted to go to the login page, which will make that later. Login and there. And now we need to close PHP. So there's probably going to be some errors somewhere, but let's see what happens. We need to go back to register.php. Submit undefined index password on line 6. Password equals post password. Oh, we call it pass, not password. So pass. Call to undefined function strip tags on line 9. Let's see. How do we put it? Player equals player equals strip tags. Oh, we need to put underscore right there. Now, submit, could not register. Find it able to register. I'm going to try not to refer to my other code so much, but I'm just going to have to see something.